है,
क्योंकि ये केवल ये चिट्ठियां नहीं है, ये ऐतिहासिक दस्तावेज है। इसमें किस प्रकार का करस्पॉन्डेंस हुआ, यह देश को जानने का अधिकार है और ये निजी प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है। दिस इज नॉट पर्सनल प्रॉपर्टी।
This is a continuous diversionary attack. Nehru letters will be with the Nehru family only, not with the Godse family. And Godse families will always be eager to defame Nehru's legacy.
Namaskar, good evening. I am Swati Joshi. A big controversy has erupted over former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru's missing letters from the Prime Minister's Museum and Library. After getting no response from Sonia Gandhi, Rizwan Kadri, the historian and author, who is among the 29 members of the PMML, has appealed to Rahul Gandhi, the Congress MP, to return the collection of historical letters belonging to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Now, politics over the issue has exploded, with the BJP alleging that the Congress is trying to hide the truth, while the Grand Old Party has said that the letters are private. So the Congress party is saying there's nothing to hide, these letters are private. Let's also tell you why is it that the PMML society is demanding these letters. Let's take a look at the reasons. Reason number one, the collection in 51 cartons is a crucial part of the historical heritage. Then reason number two, Nehru Memorial Fund generously gave private papers to the society in 1971. Reason number three, they provide invaluable insights into a critical period of our history. Moving on to reason number four, on Sonia Gandhi's request in 2008, they were withdrawn from the PMML. Reason number five, correspondence with notable figures will benefit scholars and researchers, also give them an insight into the history. Reason number six, Nehru Memorial was established to preserve his contribution to history, and that's why the question, why hide these letters? Reason number seven, removal of papers impacts institutions' ability to fulfill the mandate. These are the reasons given by the PMML society while they are demanding these letters to be handed back to them. This brings us to the top 5 questions we are asking at 5 p.m. Let's take a look at the questions. Did Sonia Gandhi take 51 cartons of Nehru's letters, as is being alleged by the historian and being claimed by the Bharatiya Janata Party as well? Is the Congress trying to hide something? That's a very, very important question being now asked by political parties as well. Will Gandhi Parivar break their silence on Nehru's letters, on the allegations that are being leveled by the historian and the BJP? Will the country ever know the truth about these letters? Would we ever know the content of these letters, the correspondence? Nehru's letters belong to Bharat or Parivar? So these are the top 5 questions we are asking at 5 p.m. Let's open this up and let's go across to our guest. We're joined by Anuradh Pratap Singh, BJP spokesperson. We have Shekhar Iyer, senior journalist, joining us on the broadcast. Dr. Nikul Patel, Congress leader, and we have Pooja Mishra, Samajwadi Party national spokesperson. Good evening to all of you. Dr. Patel, my first question is to you. Aren't these letters by the former Prime Minister Desh ki dharohar, then the Parivar, don't they belong to Bharat? Can you unmute yourself, sir? Can you unmute yourself? Okay, there seems to be a little bit of a problem there. We're not able to hear you. Let's fix that line. We'll come back to you. Let me meanwhile go across to Miss Pooja. Miss Pooja, the Congress party hasn't denied that they are not in possession of the letters. The Congress party is saying that it's private. If these letters were written by the former Prime Minister, is PMML society and people who are demanding the letters not right? Do they have a right to demand these letters? Because according to them, this will give us an insight into the history. This talks in great detail about the contribution of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So what's wrong in handing over the letters?
Swati, let me tell you, is this the need of an hour? I don't think this is currently needed. And where we talk about the protection of personal data, at the same time, we are asking the letters कि नेहरू जी ने कहा किसको लेटर्स लिखा, वो पब्लिक डोमेन में होने चाहिए, उसको डिस्क्लोज कर देने चाहिए. एंड अगर आप सर्च करने के लिए चले जाते हो, आप पढ़ते तो आपको कुछ लेटर्स आपको मिल भी जाते हैं पब्लिक डोमेन से. बहुत सारे लोगों ने जो आपने इनको उन्होंने पत्र लिखे हुए उसके आपको मिल जाते हैं. रिसर्चर्स के लिए बहुत बेनिफिट हो जाता है. बट राइट नाउ I don't think this is required. If only the BJP is claiming, and in 2008, when the BJP knew that these letters hold this much of significance, at that time they didn't know that. or they just got to know this time only in 2024, at 2008, what the BJP were doing, why they didn't protest when Sonia Gandhi was, according to them, was taking this 51 cartons of letters. At that time, they were okay with that. Now, because the public, the people of Bharat.
So what is
the
your
people
point
of
that you're
Bharat
making?
want
What is
to-
the point that you're making? Why do you think there's
I'm
a
making-
sudden demand of these letters?
There is sudden demand of this letter to just divert the original issues
But
of
ma'am,
nation.
they were in
But
public domain till 2008. Nehru Memorial
Then why-
Fund
why-
handed over those letters. It handed over those letters. So if they were in public domain, why keep them in custody or possession now?
because until now the museum was वो नेहरू के नाम से था, नेहरू के लिए पर्सनली बना हुआ था, वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी की बात कर रहा था।
तो जब
But
तक
now
उनके
it's
नाम
the
पर
Prime
रहेगा
Minister
तभी तक
of,
तो जब तक उनके
our
नाम पर
country.
रहेगा तभी तक उसको पब्लिक डोमेन में रखेंगे।
it's
नाम
a
बदल
possible
जाएगा
one.
तो नाम बदल जाएगा तो उसको हटा देंगे पब्लिक डोमेन से। ये कैसा आर्गुमेंट है? Shekhar Iyer, what kind of an argument is this?
अभी कह रहे कि
No, what kind of an
Swati-
argument is this? First of all, if they were written by the former Prime Minister, the most important question is, don't they belong to the nation? Shouldn't people of this country know what's the content of those letters, the correspondence between former Prime Minister and the eminent personalities?
I think
Swati,
this is not significant question, right?
Swati, these letters,
Question is what?
no, you see, first thing we have to remember, these letters were not sought after the memorial was turned into Prime Minister's Sangralaya. This was in 2008. See, in 2008, when the UPA government was in power, we are told that the then Congress president and chairperson of UPA wanted these correspondence to be given back. And the answer that was given was, the reason was they wanted to digitize this whole thing. And then return it, because these letters were initially were given by them to this Nehru Memorial.
Yes.
So they were taken back in 2008. And we are told that somebody came from their side, looked at these, went through the collection and took letters which were probably carried in 51 carton boxes. So that is what we are told. Now the question is not, see, this is not being sought by BJP, not sought by government.
Absolutely.
This is sought by the researchers who are going into various periods of history. This is purely academic work. So where is the question of BJP? See, today BJP raised this issue because one of the members of the PM Sangralaya has said, see, this has been gone for a long time and it should be returned back.
These claims, Dr. Nikul Patel is back with us, have been made by a historian. He's saying hand back these letters to the PMML society. How does the BJP come into picture? Why is the Congress party saying this is being done to divert attention from the real issues?
See, somebody from non-BJP is asking for the letters. He had submitted letter to the government. The government must submit letter to the Sonia Gandhi ji and whatever. See, Nehru ji was of our country, Bharat. Sonia Gandhi ji is of Bharat. Everyone belonging to the Bharat. There is no issues of this thing. As what my friend tells, that may be some reason digitalization. Now it is a requirement from an historian. Definitely they should put a letter and it must be written back.
But the historian says he did try to get in touch with Sonia Gandhi first and then Rahul Gandhi. The historian is also saying that there was no response coming in.
Sir, they must submit it to the government. At the same time, government
Is
must
it
have
under the
given letter
possession
to
of the
that.
government? Is it in the custody of the government?
See, that time the elected government have taken some decision. Now it is the responsibility of the government.
Are the letters
to
in
do the
possession of the
necessary
government?
proceedings. To do the necessary proceedings is the responsibility of the government if somebody is asking from the country.
Dr.
I don't
Patel, are the
understand.
letters in
Bharatiya
possession
Janata
of the
Party-
government?
Bharatiya Janata Party has having the importance of...
But sir, Congress
these
party is saying these
right
letters are
now. I
private.
don't understand.
No. You're constantly
I'm not
changing the
saying letters
goalposts.
are
First you said
private.
the letters
I'm
are
not
private.
saying-
Then you're
I'm not
saying
telling
this
the
is being
letters are
done to
private.
divert attention from the real issues. Now you're saying
Yeah,
go write a
there
letter
you
to the
are, there
government.
you are.
Are the letters in
There you
possession
are.
of the government?
If the letters are not in the possession of the government, it is not the responsibility of the government to take action and do the necessary.
Who has
proceedings
those
to obtain
letters?
that. Those who is having, the government may be knowing.
The historian is saying 51 cartons were given to Sonia Gandhi in 2008 at her request.
Let me know. Records are there with the government or not? With whom the letter are there? To whom it is given? To why it was
That is
given?
the question.
What
Why
is
were they
the question
taken?
by Bharatiya Janata
Why were
Party?
those
The
letters
Bharatiya Janata
taken and why
Party
they're not being given back? When the Nehru Memorial Fund gave it to PMML, then why have those letters been... No, one second, Dr. Patel, one second. No, you yourself are admitting. So let me tell you that till 2008, till 2008 they were with the society. According to the society, they were given by the Nehru Memorial Fund to them. Then why was it given back to the Parivar? That is one big question. Second, what is there to hide in the letters? Why can't they be handed back?
I would like to clear it. If somebody has requested to the government, the elected government has taken some decision and it is given, it will be in the record. It is not like that somebody has taken and somebody is not taken.
Anuruddh ji, I don't know where this bizarre logic is coming from, but the historian should write to the government. Seek record, seek data.
Yeah, why it is not a national issue right now?
स्वाति
जी बोलिए
जी स्वाति जी फॉर कांग्रेस बेनकाब चेहरे हैं, दाग बड़े गहरे हैं, तिलिस्मास टूटता है, सच से भय खाता हूं. तो कांग्रेस everyone would like to know only two facts. One is whereas letters and content of letters, because content of letter, it's a very important thing for us, because maybe Nehru would have written a letter to Rajendra ji, you should not visit to Somnath. Maybe Nehru ji would have written letter to Lady Mountbatten, who's looking so gorgeous and so pretty. Such type things are, such type contents are available in letters. Therefore, Congress are feeling far nervous and feeling shy, because अगर कांग्रेस का ये
एक मिनट अरुण जी, if you don't know what the content of the letter is, how are you assuming कि इसमें यही लिखा होगा?
अरे भाई, अगर नहीं लिखा होगा तो 51 ये कार्टन का टाइटल है क्या?
नहीं, अगर आपको ये जानकारी नहीं है कि उस लेटर में क्या लिखा गया है, पहली बात तो आप क्या खोज रहे हैं उस लेटर में?
क्या बात है यार, आप
एक मिनट, आप उस लेटर में क्या खोज रहे हैं? और अगर आपको जानकारी नहीं है तो फिर आप अज्यूम कैसे कर रहे हैं कि इसमें क्या लिखा हो सकता है?
अरे भाई, पूरा देश ये सोच रहा शायद यही लिखा होगा. मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, सारे बुक्स में लिखे हुए हैं, फैक्ट्स लिखे हुए हैं. मैं 3 बुक को यहाँ पे कोट करूं? निकुंज जी छोड़ के आप डिबेट चले जाएंगे, मे भी, अगर शायद आपको दिक्कत होगी. अगर मैं 3 बुक यहाँ पे कोट कर रहा हूं, यू हैव करेज, यू कैन लिसन.
I have courage and I will listen, but if the records are with the government, you can go and ask the Bharatiya.
No, one second, Shekhar Iyer, what is this? One second. The retort coming in from the Congress leader is if the record is with the government. My question is, who is in possession of the letters, and what is that? What is there in that letter that there is a need to hide it?
Nothing to hide it. Nothing to hide it. Everything should be open.
Shekhar Iyer, that question is for Mr. Shekhar Iyer.
No,
It was
you
lying
see,
with the library.
Okay, allow Shekhar to come in, please. Allow Shekhar to come in.
no, Swati, these letters pertain to a period when Pandit Nehru was presiding over the transition of power. See, this is a very important period, and there were correspondence between him and several other luminaries of that time, including, the then Governor General. You had, and Jayaprakash Narayan, had a very interesting relationship with Pandit Nehru. Similarly, you have other persons mentioned whose correspondences we are talking about. As far as, whether there was correspondence related to Edwina Mountbatten, we all know that Nehru enjoyed a very good relationship with both Mountbatten and his wife, Edwina. So we are not getting into that. The question is, now also it is a request.
Yeah.
You see, after all, it was generously handed over. Now the request is, please, you have taken it for digitization. We would like to have it back, because researchers, historians constantly like to look at these documents. See, often we have seen how some documents have been declassified, which were kept in National Archives for the purpose of study. This is purely an academic interest.
Okay, it's purely an academic interest. Why is the Congress party making a big deal out of it? Dr. Patel, please respond.
See, again, I would like to say that all the records are with the government. It is the responsibility of the government to take care of history, culture, and everything. Now, the present government is having the record. I would request
Dr.
that
Patel,
they
the
must
historian
send letter to
claims
the
that 51
that
cartons were
they
given to
must-
Sonia Gandhi
they must-
in 2008.
they-
The Congress party has not denied any of it. Congress party is saying, yes, those letters are private. Is the Congress party denying that we don't have those letters, we are not in possession of the letters? Are you saying we are not in possession of the letters?
Let government take a call and write a letter if everything is in the public interest. It was in the public since
The
2008.
historian we are
There
talking
is nothing to
about
hide.
here
I
is
don't
a member
understand.
of the PMML society who's written to Sonia Gandhi, to Rahul Gandhi, asking for those letters to be handed over to the society.
So, they must write to government if Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi is not giving. They must write to the
Okay,
government.
now write to the government. Write to the government, but then you would say, why is the Bharatiya Janata Party getting involved? Why is the BJP getting involved? How come the Bharatiya Janata Party is now, putting pressure? No, one second. Let me bring in Pooja Mishra. If there is no controversy surrounding those letters, a common man of the country would want to understand, then why is it that we see these allegations being leveled from both sides? Just release the letters, give it back to the society. Let it be back in the public domain as it was.
See,
I think Swati,
they are in the public since 2000.
Pooja Mishra, go ahead. Pooja Mishra,
saying
go
that
ahead.
it's a personal. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. तो श्रुति ये कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि पब्लिक डोमेन में पहले भी था 2008 तक पब्लिक डोमेन में रहा हुआ है. अभी कह रहे कि पापा जो मतलब के मेंबर है that historian is asking for the letters. I think he must have read those letters. If he is historical and he knows about these letters, तो उन्होंने पढ़ा भी होगा. और अगर ये क्लेम कर रहे हैं कि 51 कार्टून्स, आपने कहा ना कि कांग्रेस कह रही है कि हमने रखा हुआ है, वो पर्सनल डाटाज हैं, और वो क्लेम भी कर रहे हैं कि जो है हमने 51 कार्टून्स भर के दिए. मैं एग्री करूंगी फिर से जो है कांग्रेस के साथ में कि हाँ, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि वो नहीं दे रहे तो आप चले जाइए गवर्नमेंट के पास में. और पब्लिक डोमेन में रहे हुए हैं. अभी
पर्सनल कलेक्शन के लिए थोड़ी ना मांग रहे, जो आप कह रही हैं कि वो पढ़ चुके होंगे उस चीज को, वो कोई अपने पर्सनल कलेक्शन के लिए थोड़ी ना उस चीज को मांग रहे हैं.
No, Swati, they are asking about talking about the researchers. Ask what researchers want. You want this. The member of that PM museum want this. But what the researchers want? Researchers doesn't want.
Okay, so the Gandhi family is not responding. So the Gandhi family is not responding. ठीक है, गांधी परिवार इस पर कोई जवाब नहीं दे रहा है. ना सोनिया गांधी जवाब दे रही है, ना राहुल गांधी जवाब दे रहे हैं. अनुरुद्ध जी, the suggestion is that the government should answer. कि हिस्टोरियन को, सरकार को लेटर लिखना चाहिए कि भाई हमको राहुल गांधी और सोनिया गांधी से लेटर नहीं मिल रहे हैं, अब आप कुछ कीजिए.
स्वाति जी, मैं पिछले उसमें मैं 3 बुक कोट करना चाह रहा था. शायद निकुंज जी को या कांग्रेस के सभी लोगों को पढ़ना चाहिए. तो मैं भी शायद, और लेटर की बात है, मैं ऐसा नहीं कर रहा हूं. यहाँ पे स्टैनली वॉलमार्ट ने एक बुक लिखी हुई, जो कि ऑलरेडी नेहरू जी के बायोग्राफर हैं, वो उन्होंने बुक लिखी हुई है. और उन्होंने कहा कि लेडी माउंटेनबेटन की बेटी के माध्यम से, पमेला के माध्यम से, उन्होंने कहा कि उनके पिता ने कहा कि नेहरू जी और लेडी मैं नहीं कह रहा हूं, ये मेरा कोट नहीं है.
आप किसी किताब को साइट कर रहे हैं अनुरुद्ध जी?
नहीं,
आप किसी किताब को
लेटर में क्या लिखा है, तो ऐसे ही कंटेंट इनके अवेलेबल होंगे, इसलिए इनको शर्म के मारे ये इनका एक्सपोज हो जाएंगे कांग्रेसी. इसलिए हो सकता है इनको दिक्कत हो रही हो कि शायद ऐसे कंटेंट बाहर आ जाएंगे. खुशवंत सिंह ने क्या लिखा था अपने बुक में, ट्रूथ, लव एंड लिटिल मैलिस में क्या लिखा?
Okay, you're saying that the Communist Party is trying to hide the truth. All right. Okay, all right. And the big question here is, if there is nothing to hide, then why don't just hand back the letters to the society? What is this controversy surrounding the letter? And when will the people of the country actually get to know what is in those letters, in the correspondence between the former Prime Minister, Edwina Mountbatten, and other eminent personalities as well? बाकी लोग भी उसमें, अनुरुद्ध जी, उनको मत भूलिए. क्या था उस बातचीत में? That the country should know. Thank you very much, Pooja Mishra and gentlemen, for joining us.